Hi, and welcome to the Carol Fraser podcast. I'm Anthony Ellis. I'm here with Carol Fraser, creator of Dermazine, the skin renewing cream, and she's a qualified naturopath. She's also a qualified aromatherapist and a qualified nutritionist, and has been supporting people with various health conditions over the past 6 years in the form of local workshops, online training, and also through physical products in the form of the Dermazine Skin Renewing Cream. And today is the day in which we are announcing the end of Carol's Organic Kitchen. But I will hand you over to Carol, who's going to tell you a bit more about that. But do watch this video to the end if you want to learn how you can make your own natural skincare at home. I'm going to tell you exactly how you can do that. But Carol, if you'd like to tell our audience why you've decided to draw an end to Carol's Organic Kitchen.
Right, well, 7 years ago, I created Carol's Organic Kitchen because at that time I was really on a journey. I was growing food on an organic farm, and I was running food workshops around foods that heal and disease prevention, and talking about nutrition. And the name kind of, correlated with what I was doing then. And I was also running on-demand cooking workshops and talking about nutrition as well, and also being hired out here and there for people who wanted healthy, tasty alternatives for events. So I decided, now that Carol's Organic Kitchen has evolved somewhat into newer waters, and as I've grown, I've developed, different certifications as a naturopath as well. And just before our lockdown period, I was an allergy chef part-time whilst running Carol's Organic Kitchen, cooking for up to 50 children, some of them with a plethora of allergies. So now, with the kind of demand from people about various things that they know I've been skilled in terms of nutrition and remedies, and now skincare, as you know, with the launch of Dermazine, which was back in October of 2019. Carol's Organic Kitchen has really, it hasn't died a death as such, but it's evolved. So what we're going to do is start introducing some of the things that people are demanding of me in terms of home remedies for common ailments. We're focusing right now on a course, and we'll tell you more about that at the end, starting with skincare, because that's what we're doing at this present time. And that course or tutorials rather, will give you the step-by-step practical information on information, I should say, on how to make your own natural skincare according to common skin conditions. Okay, so there'll be modules on different skin conditions, and there'll be practical step-by-step tutorials, which I will be showing you how to make particular type of skincare for different types of common skin conditions, which I'm asked about quite frequently. And Dermazine has proved to be very good in combating a lot of these, but there'll be new recipes, new skincare recipes that I will show you how to make these particular natural products for your particular type of skin condition or skin type. Some people just like to have natural skincare, glowing skin. They want something that's toxin free, and cruelty-free. So there's something in there for everyone.
And I think it's important to mention also that the Dermazine cream will still be available to anybody who wants it. And we are marketing it as a daily moisturizer for skin restoration, which tackles the symptoms of dark marks, inflammation, dry, itchy skin, and hyperpigmentation and hypopigmentation. So do talk about the Dermazine cream, and it's still available at dermazine.co.uk and dermazine.com. So the website is still up, but it will now be dermazine.co.uk rather than cowsorganickitchen.com. And we're very excited about this new change. But I did mention that we would tell you how you can start the process to learn how to make your own natural skincare at home. There's a link in the description where you can register your interest and be the first to know about how we're going to be rolling this out. And you will also get access to an exclusive discount as a founding member of this course. So do pop your email in the link below, and we will be updating you as we roll this out. In the meantime, Carol, did you want to mention anything before we end this video?
Yeah, so just to say, let me just, for those that don't know about Dermazine, there is a Dermazine range. So we have our main product called Dermazine Skin Renewing Cream. The Dermazine Skin Renewing Cream was designed to combat inflammation, dry, cracked, itchy, irritated skin, which also fades discoloration on the skin caused by hyperpigmentation. And it's also proved itself for hypopigmentation as well. We have a Dermazine baby formula, and that really is for itchy, dry, irritated skin, particularly for eczema. And we have Dermazine velvet. And Dermazine velvet is a more intense velvet-like textured moisturizer that has more added protection for the layer of the skin if you have extreme chronic dry skin conditions. And then we have our shea butter, our raw organic shea butter, because the Dermazine range all contain essential oils, and some people can't take essential oils. So you have the raw organic shea butter. And raw is important because it isn't the refined type, which has lesser properties, lesser benefits, I should say, than a raw shea butter. And then lastly, but not least, we have our eucalyptus dermazine. So eucalyptus dermazine has all the ingredients that our Dermazine skin renewing cream and Dermazine baby has, but it also contains jojoba oil, vitamin E oil, neem oil. But every one of our Dermazine ranges contain the essence oils of lavender and frankincense and natural emollient of coconut oil and shea butter. So if you don't know about Dermazine, have a look at the range, and more importantly, have a look at what people are saying about it. And we have a 60-day money back guarantee there for you so that you can trial the cream. So be assured that you're able to try it out for those 60 days. Some people have fast turnarounds, but that's not for all. So take a look. If you use it, be persistent, use it every day, at least a minimum of 2 times a day, and let us know how you get on using it. And I'll keep in touch with you as well as you're going along using the cream. Thank you for listening.
Thank you very much for watching. And remember, if you would like to learn how to make your own natural skincare at home, please do click the link in the description below. It's really great for those who want to start making their own skincare and want to be more empowered to heal their own skin. And also for those people who may be on the fence about it and not sure, really, we are living in a time where more people than ever are ordering online. We're going through Brexit at the moment, and couriers like UPS and Royal Mail are under a lot of stress. And so we have had to refund customers or send out new products to people, especially people abroad, where our couriers have not been able to deliver on their end. And we just felt that it's really the right time to show people how to make this themselves, so that they're never beholden to anybody else, not us, not UPS, in order to get these products which are helping them. So do click the link in the description below, even if you're just curious, and we will let you know, first of all, what our plans are and when this course will be available. So thank you very much. And Carol, if there's anything else you'd like to add,
Just one more
now's the
thing.
time.
I want to let you know that I'm going to be teaching you how to make the Dermazine range of products. So as Anthony had mentioned, we want to empower you all to know how to make the cream, so you haven't got to rely on whether your product is going to arrive or not. It's particularly difficult with the overseas. Inland has been fine. Overseas has been a bit tricky due to the current situation and now Brexit, as we're told by UPS. So we have, as Anthony's mentioned, had to send out new products, because we always want to make sure that you do get your products and not just leave it down to unreliable couriers. So please register your interest. We'll put the link in the description below. And if you're interested in empowering yourself and making your own natural skincare for your skin condition or skincare needs, just register your interest and we'll get back to you and keep you up to date. And please do keep up to date with the podcasts here, because we'll be giving you more updates and we'll be letting you know a little bit more about the upcoming skincare program. Okay, so click the notification bell for your updates and subscribe.
Thank you very much for watching. We'll see you next time.
Thank you. Bye for now.